Hey guys, my name is Stan and welcome back to another video. So I was rummaging through some of my old water cooling parts and came up with this. I am currently working on a brand new mini ITX build, and I have a reservoir from EK, brand new, the quantum kinetic reservoir, and I wanted a larger tube. So I was looking through some of the old stuff here and I came across this, and this is the D5 X-Res CSQ. It's a really old EK pump reservoir back when they went really hard into the CSQ motif. I think CSQ stands for circle, square, something with all these different circles and whatnot. But anyway, so I've got this reservoir tube, and this right here, this is essentially the X3 res tube. It's still the exact same dimensions and whatnot as even the brand new tubes, and you can see here it has had a lot of use. It's kind of beat and it's got a lot of scratches here. So what I'm going to be doing here is trying to clean this thing up, and I'm going to try to reuse this specific tube with the new quantum the TBE reservoir that we're going to be using for the mini ITX build here. So this video, just going to be using some PlastX, the Meguiar's PlastX polish, whatever you want to call it, and try to clean up the oxidations, clean up the scratches, and we'll see how well this stuff does with this acrylic tube. From at least my experience in the past, basically, if you've got a frosted acrylic tube or frosted acrylic anything, pump top, or just basically anything plexiglass acrylic, this stuff cleans up really well and removes all the oxidation and scratches. So I'm gonna show you, basically show you how well this works, and let me get to work. Now this thing right here, this pump top is almost 10 years old now. I haven't used this for 10 or so years, but I certainly used this with Mayhem's, the pastel white, and that's why you can see still a little bit of the residue of the pastel white. And this piece right here, it's been kind of stained with that pastel stuff. And this is the tube that I want to reuse, and you can see here it got a lot of light scratches. I don't know if I can get it caught in the light here for you guys to see. So you know, we're gonna be using some of this Meguiar's PlastX. All you need is a microfiber towel, and oops, this is actually a brand new bottle, isn't it? Yep, it is. Just get a little, oop. I was trying to say, get a little bit of the stuff on the towel, work it into the microfibers, and then just start polishing. Of course, I glob it on here and get way too much of this stuff. Anyway, it's all good. Just small circular motions and try to fix this up. Wow, this is actually very impressive. Just a few minutes of polishing here, and this is already looking like it's almost brand new. And I've only polished the outside, so I just need to get a little bit on the inside and that a little finishing on the outside. And man, this tube is almost looking like it's brand new again. All right, I think I'm almost 90% there. I could do a little bit more, but you can see here, this is looking like, it's basically looks like brand new at this point. There are some super light scratches that are still left, but man, this is looking so much better than before. All right, so there you go. That was no more than what, 10, 15 minutes worth of polishing. And you can see this res tube is almost as good as brand new. And even the Cyclone, you see, I cleaned up the one side here and left the other side dirty for you guys to see. But the oxidation, the scratches are easily removed by just a little bit of light polishing. So if you got, again, if you've got any acrylic or plexiglass, reservoir tubes, pump tops, even the frosted stuff, beware though, if you have frosted and you want to turn it clear, this is a great way to turn something from frosted to clear. But if you certainly start polishing frosted plexiglass, then it'll turn very clear. So just be aware of that. So anyway, just a quick video. My name is Stan. I'll see you guys in the next one.